Hello, in this video I will show you how to activate the Peppol connector in B2Brouter. Peppol activation is a process of identification and identity verification with the aim of preventing illegal activities. You will only have to do this process once. First, access to account settings by clicking on the top gear. Go to Connections from the left-hand menu and select Peppol activation. Select the identifier type that you want to use to communicate via the Peppol network and write it down. Once done, click on Next. An organization identification document is required in order to enable the Peppol connection, and it is a necessary step that we must validate. You'll have to upload an official document showing the organization's endpoint ID for validation purposes. This document can be either a received invoice, company registered, or VAT ID document. Enter the name, surname, and current position in the organization of the person who will act as a representative. Download the Peppol Service Agreement document and click on Next. Once read, sign the Service Agreement document you just downloaded and upload it here. Now the necessary documents have been attached, save to start the request to activate the connection to Peppol. Click on Save at the bottom right of the page. Our support team will receive your request, and if everything is correct, it will be accepted. You will receive an email once it has been accepted, and you will be able to send documents through Peppol with B2Brouter. If you have any doubts about how B2Brouter works or you have an issue with an invoice, you can use the support option to contact our team, which will provide you with a solution. From this section, you can follow your Peppol activation status.